Hello friends, welcome to my channel Insights India. Today we will discuss all the important questions of current affairs from 27th February to 5 March, and I will also tell you the facts related to it. So watch full video carefully and it's important for all the competitive exams. So let's get started. First question is, who has become the highest wicket taker in the Women's T20 World Cup? So correct answer is D. Shabnam Ismail. She has made a record by taking 43 wickets in 32 matches. She is a female cricketer from South Africa. The record of her fastest ball has also been made. She has bowled the ball at a speed of 128 km per hour. Second question is, INS Sukanya has reached the port of which country on an official visit? So correct answer is C. Sri Lanka. INS Sukanya has arrived at Colombo port in Sri Lanka. The Prime Minister of Sri Lanka is Dinesh Gunawardene and the President is Ranil Wickremesinghe. There is two capital of Sri Lanka, one is Colombo and the other is Sri Jayewardenepura Kotte. Sri Jayewardenepura Kotte is the administrative capital and the Colombo is the commercial capital. And the currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan rupee. A bell has been installed at Sri Muktinath Temple in Sri Lanka in honor of the late CDS Vipin Rawat. India has provided 50 buses to Sri Lanka under the Economic Assistance Scheme. Sri Lanka will host the Under-19 World Cup in 2024. Sri Lankan novelist Shehan Karunatilka's novel has won the 2022 Booker Prize. India has emerged as the largest creditor to Sri Lanka, surpassing China. The Mahaveli Ganga is the longest river in Sri Lanka. Third question is, in which city is the Pusa Krishi Vigyan Mela being organized? So correct answer is D. New Delhi. Union Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has inaugurated this fair. Fourth question is, who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Central Electricity Regulatory Commission? So correct answer is C. Jishnu Barua. Rajesh Malhotra has been appointed as the Principal Director General of PIB. NASA has appointed Nicola Fox as the agency's first female science chief. FICCI has appointed Shailesh Pathak as its Secretary General. R.S. Rin has taken over as Director General Quality Assurance. The United Nations has appointed Afsha Khan to lead the campaign to end malnutrition. Fifth question is, where has the 7th International Dhamma Conference been organized? So correct answer is A. Bhopal. The conference was inaugurated by President Draupadi Murmu. Sixth question is, which state is hosting the Global Responsible Tourism Summit? So correct answer is D. Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram and the governor is Arif Muhammad Khan. Chief Minister is Pinarayi Vijayan. A robotic elephant has been introduced to perform ritual duty at a temple in Kerala. Kerala has become the first state to use robotic scavengers to clean manholes. The Kerala High Court has become the first high court in the country to publish judgments in regional languages. Kerala has won the first National Beach Soccer Championship 2023. Seventh question is, who has been appointed as the Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal? So correct answer is B. Rashmi Shukla. Rashmi Shukla is a 1988 batch IPS officer of Maharashtra cadre. Rajesh Roy has been appointed as the new CMD of the Indian telephone industry. Rajiv Raghuvanshi has been appointed as the new Drug Controller General of India. Girish Chandra Murmu has been selected as the external auditor of ILO in Geneva. BVR Subramaniam has been appointed as the new CEO of Niti Aayog. Eighth question is, which neighboring country of India has tied up with ISA to increase the use of solar energy? So correct answer is C, Bangladesh. ISA is International Solar Alliance. Prime Minister of Bangladesh is Sheikh Hasina and the currency is Bangladeshi Taka. And the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Muhammad Shahabuddin became the 22nd President of Bangladesh. Global Youth Climate Summit to begin in Bangladesh. Bangladesh cricketer Rubal Hussain has announced his retirement from Test cricket. Tamim Iqbal became the first Bangladeshi batsman to score 8,000 runs in ODIs. Ninth question is, which has become the second strongest telecom brand in the world? So correct answer is B, Reliance Jio. Switzerland Swisscom is at number 1, Reliance Jio is at number 2, and the Etisalat buy of UAE at number 3. 10th question is, where has the first Bodoland International Knowledge Festival started? So correct answer is A, Assam. Chief Minister of Assam is Himanta Biswa Sarma and the capital is Dispur. And the governor of Assam is Gulabchand Kataria. Gulabchand Kataria has been sworn in as the new governor of Assam. Gyanendra Pratap Singh has been appointed as the new DGP of Assam. The government of Assam has acquired the Matia Bagh Hawa Mahal. The Assam cabinet has passed a bill to create a commission for Safai Karmcharis. The first Unani Medicine Regional Center of Northeast was inaugurated in Silchar. The Chief Minister of Assam launched the Millets Mission. 11th question is, in which country Indian Air Force has participated in exercise Shinyu Maitri? So correct answer is A, Japan. The capital of Japan is Tokyo and the currency is yen. And the Prime Minister of Japan is Fumio Kishida. The joint training exercise Dharma Guardian between India and Japan has begun. India has overtaken Japan to become the third largest auto market globally. Joint exercise Veer Guardian 2023 between India and Japan has concluded. Malabar exercise 2022 has started in Japan. 12th question is, who has commissioned India's first air-cooled condenser? So correct answer is C, NTPC. NTPC is National Thermal Power Corporation. It established in 1975 and is headquartered in New Delhi, and the present chairman is Gurdeep Singh. 13th question is, IIT Madras has partnered with which country on next generation fuels? So correct answer is B, Denmark. IIT Madras will develop space flight training module for ISRO. IIT Madras has won the National Intellectual Property Award. Researchers from NASA and IIT Madras studied microbes in the space station. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has inaugurated iInventive at IIT Delhi. IIT Madras has launched the Nilekani Center to promote Indian language technology. IIT Kanpur has launched the Nirman Accelerator Program. 14th question is, who is hosting the second B20 event? So correct answer is C, Aizol. 15th question is, Bola Tinubu has become the new president of which country? So correct answer is D, Nigeria. The capital of Nigeria is Abuja and the currency is Nigerian naira. And the president of Nigeria is Olusegun Obasanjo. Nikos Christodoulides has become the new president of Cyprus. Manuela Roca-Bote has been appointed as the first female prime minister of Equatorial Guinea. Petr Pavel is the new president of Czech Republic. Leo Varadkar has been elected prime minister of Ireland for the second time. Dorin Rishian has been elected as the new prime minister of Moldova. Dina Boluarte has become the first female president of Peru. Kassym-Jomart Tokayev has been re-elected as the president of Kazakhstan. 16th question is, where has a multimedia exhibition on the International Year of Millets been organized? So correct answer is A, Goa. The capital of Goa is Panji and the chief minister is Pramod Sawant. And the governor of Goa is P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav has launched the Save Wetlands campaign in Goa. The government of Goa has launched the Vision for All School Eye Health program. India's second longest cable-stayed 8-lane Zuare Bridge inaugurated in Goa. The 9th World Ayurveda Congress and Arogya Expo 2022 was inaugurated in Goa. The 53rd International Film Festival of India took place in Goa. The Chief Minister of Goa unveiled the Mukhyamantri Devdarshan Yatra scheme. The International Lusophone Festival will be held in Goa. 17th question is, which country's Prime Minister will be the chief guest at the 8th Raisina Dialogue? So correct answer is C, Italy. The capital of Italy is Rome and the currency is Euro. And the Prime Minister of Italy is Giorgia Meloni. 18th question is, which company has updated its new logo? So correct answer is A, Nokia. 19th question is, which player has won the title of Qatar Open Tennis 2023? So correct answer is B, Daniel Medvedev. Carlos Alcaraz has become the youngest ever world number 1 ATP player. Carlos Alcaraz has won the 2023 Argentina Open title. Novak Djokovic has won the 6th ATP Finals title. Sharat Kamal has become the first Indian to be elected to the Athletes Commission of ITTF. Switzerland has won the first Billie Jean King Cup by defeating Australia. 20th question is, the Chief Minister of which state has unveiled the first compressed biogas plant of the Northeast? So correct answer is A, Assam. 21st question is, which country's HMI group will invest 7,200 crore in Uttar Pradesh? So correct answer is A, Japan. 22nd question is, IAF will participate in exercise Cobra Warrior to be held in which country? So correct answer is B, UK. The Prime Minister of Britain is Rishi Sunak and the capital is London. And the currency is pound sterling. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has been awarded Lifetime Achievement Honour by UK. Jagruti Yadav has been appointed as UK High Commissioner to India for one day. The UK has scrapped a proposal to cut taxes for the wealthy. Dadabhai Nauroji's house in London has got the Blue Plaque honour. London has topped the Best Student Cities Index 2023 released by QS. 23rd question is, the government has approved a $3.9 billion hydroelectric project near which country's border? So correct answer is D, China. President of China is Xi Jinping and the capital is Beijing. And the currency of China is renminbi. It is also known as Chinese yuan. China has launched the communication satellite Zhongxing 26. China appointed its ambassador to America, Xin Gang, as the new foreign minister. China has been at the top in the publication of scientific paper. China has launched a lab module named Mangtian for a space station. China has launched the first inhalable vaccine against COVID. China has been at the top in the production of fish in the world. 24th question is, who has been appointed by Pepsi as its new brand ambassador? So correct answer is D. Ranveer Singh. Puma India has signed the Harmanpreet Kaur as its brand ambassador. Kuldeep Yadav has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Real 11. Skechers India has appointed Kriti Sanon as its brand ambassador. Navi Technology has signed MS Dhoni as its brand ambassador. Ayushmann Khurrana has been appointed as the Child Rights Ambassador of UNICEF India. Leading edtech company Byju's has appointed Lionel Messi as the Global Ambassador for its Education for All initiative. National Mineral Development Corporation has made Nikhil Zareen as its brand ambassador. Ranveer Singh was made the brand ambassador of India in FIFA 2022. Myntra has signed Ranbir Kapoor as its brand ambassador. 25th question is, where has the 14th edition of Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav started? So correct answer is C. Bikaner. The event was organized by the Union Ministry of Culture. 26th question is, who has hosted the first I2U2 Deputy Ministerial Level meeting to discuss investment proposals? So correct answer is D. UAE. The capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi and the currency is UAE dirham. And the president is Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The Prime Minister of UAE has renamed Al Minhaj city as Hind city. UAE has topped the list of world's strongest passports released by Artan Capital. UAE has hosted the first Global Media Congress in Abu Dhabi. The 41st Sharjah International Book Fair took place in UAE. Malabar Golds has imported 25 kg of gold from UAE under the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement. The 22nd World Blockchain Summit has taken place in Dubai. 27th question is, which country has won the Women's T20 World Cup title for the 6th time? So correct answer is A. Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra and the currency is Australian dollar. And the Prime Minister of Australia is Anthony Albanese. Australia will remove Chinese cameras from its office over spying concerns. Australia has announced the removal of pictures of the British monarchy from its currency. Australian women cricketer Belinda Clark has unveiled her own statue. Veena Nair has received the Prime Minister's Award in Australia. 28th question is, where is Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla inaugurated the 19th annual CPA conference? So correct answer is B. Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok and the Chief Minister is Prem Singh Tamang and the Governor of Sikkim is Lakshman Prasad Acharya. The Chief Minister of Sikkim has launched an initiative called Mero Rukh Mero Santati. The government of Sikkim has taken the initiative of Amma and Bahini Yojana. Sikkim Foundation Day is celebrated on 16th of May. 29th question is, the Indian Air Force will participate in the Desert Flag 8 exercise of which country? So correct answer is C, UAE. 30th question is, who has won the Marconi Prize for 2023? So correct answer is B, Hari Balakrishnan. He is a computer science scientist. Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, honored Dr. Mahendra Mishra with International Mother Tongue Award. Angela Merkel has been awarded the UNESCO Peace Prize. Rakhi Kapoor has won the Golden Books Award 2023 for Now You Breathe. Music composer Ricky Case has won the prestigious Grammy Award 2023. M. Yoho has become the first Asian to receive an Oscar nomination for Best Actress. Ambika Suthan Mangad has won the Odakkujhal Award. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो आप लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को हिट करें। थैंक यू।